So guys, today we just got new keycaps for my Corsair K100 RGB. Let's go test out how it works on synchronization monitor. Oh, I don't want to show the password. See, look at this. Looking cool, right? What do y'all think? Looks good with it. Looking good, huh? Let's go. We just got XVX cat eyes. Wow, look at this. It works good, even synchronization of screen. Yeah, mount is in monitor screen. Yep. Looks better now. It can synchronize. See? If I scroll, it is compatible to Corsair K100 RGB. I'm scrolling and it does work. I currently have the software IQ on. See? If I go to YouTube and then watch whatever. If I watch, I'm doing a test on YouTube to see how well. I don't want to turn on my speaker. I was about to. See? Works well on any other YouTube video or any game. See? Synchronization screen I have on. It's in Merles on IQ and Corsair. Let's go.
Whoa!
Hey, you want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi YouTube.
Hi, this is my mom.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, by the way, it looks better, right, guys? Comment on what you think.